algorithms, as we'll soon see, that implement what is underneath there, the hood. But these inputs.
So we're about to sort of dive into our first major topic here, which is binary numbers, which might be a little bit surprising if you think about a computer science class. We really are starting at the very most fundamental concept here.
It is, but I've wrestled with this opening to the class too, because there's a lot of students these days that are a little uncomfortable with mathematics or just assume that it's going to be a very math-heavy field. And I've not wanted to send the message through arithmetic even at the start of the semester that that's exactly what your fears are and confirming those. But the reality is I actually think this is pretty empowering to use these first few minutes of the class and empower students to actually understand something they've probably heard about, ones and zeros and binaries, and really just open that, take the hood off and look inside and understand, oh, it's really just like my grade school base 10 system.
Exactly. You can bring them right back to something that they're really familiar with, the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and extrapolate that to ones, twos, and fours. And suddenly, you know, 5 minutes into their first computer science class, possibly, students are capable of conversing in binary.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And the fact that it is so relatively simple, just the arithmetic behind it, I think is also pretty reassuring. Like, oh, okay, this makes sense, especially if you bring it back to a topic with which they've long been familiar. It really isn't as new or as scary as they've perhaps thought.
Yeah, exactly.